Hey everyone, and welcome to Intro to Language Part 1. My name is Sergio Pineda, and I will be your teacher for this lesson on language. This video is part of an online lesson that can be accessed through the link below. It is an open access Google Slides presentation that involves articles, videos, and activities for you to participate and learn the basics of language. Little context for this lesson: I'm currently a graduate student at Northern Arizona University seeking a master's degree in psychology. I do not have those high credentials. I am not a professor in any way, shape, or form. This online class project is part of a requirement for one of my own courses in the program. This class is called Psychology Teaching Practicum. But depending on how this goes, I hope to expand this into different lessons of a larger Intro to Cognitive Psychology course. I recognize that language is not a traditional place to start for an Intro to Cognitive Psych course, and I would like to create future lessons that would build up to essentially this language lesson. However, I started with this this lesson on language, because I have a true passion for this subject. I am Mexican, so my first language was Spanish. Then I learned English here in the United States by going through the American schooling. And then for the last 10 years, I have been studying French and German and just absolutely love what a language offers. Within this lesson, though, I have tried to blend in cognitive, neuro-linguistic, and philosophical perspectives of what language is. However, I do recognize that this lesson most likely comes from a heavily cognitive psychological perspective because of my background as a psychology master's student. This is only part one of most likely a two-part lesson on language, so stay tuned for part two in the future. However, for the purpose of this assignment, in this lesson, we will confine it just to this part one. Instead of having you memorize terms and dates, this Intro to Language lesson has a simple goal of having you be able to define language in your own words and to understand where cognitive science is at in defining language, or where our society is at in how we view what language is. You'll notice that these same objectives, along with focus questions on the next couple slides of the presentation. Like I said, you can access that presentation down below. And all the activities, articles, and videos are aimed to help you answer these questions and reach the objectives. Feel free to comment below and let me know if there are any articles, videos, or book chapters you think are essential to include in this Intro to Level Language course, and that would help people get closer to the answer or these objectives. I try to use open source articles, books, and videos to allow anyone access to the information, but I am open to any type of improvement or any type of literature, video that could make this lesson better. If you do have any of those comments on how you think this presentation could improve, or want to say what you liked or simply disliked about this lesson and what I can do in the future, please comment below. But for now, I hope you enjoy the lesson and this video and learn, and I will see you back once the lesson is complete in the concluding video.